Now we're talking. Well, first spot didn't work out. Didn't have the color I like, so I had to run up to Walmart. Get the color of dingers I like, and well, Senkos, whatever you want to call them. And now I'm here at one of the OG spots. A lot of people don't know about it, but this produces a lot. That dam I was at, I'm gonna try that again in another video. It was really hard to get there. It's butted up right next to some private property, so you gotta like cross. First of all, you're on the other side of the dam, and there's like no water flow going that way, so you gotta like cross these bridges of trees and stuff just to get where I was at if you don't want to go on private property. First fish of the day, I think it's a rock bass, feels like one. Yes sir. Little bitty rock bass. And he didn't give a fight at all. Well, we're on the board at least. Oh, stay down. This is a good one. Oh, no, it's not. Thought it was a good one. It's not too bad, though. Not too bad. Oh, no, spit my leg. Got it. Chill out, bud. Chill out, bud. There we go. These hooks are sharp. Not too bad. Probably 10-incher, maybe. I knew it was worth coming down here. And I still got my worm. Oh, that was perfect. Bounced right off the tree. Got one. Is that a pike? I don't know why the drag on this thing isn't working. I'm gonna have to check it out. Oh, what is that? Oh, is that a nice smallie? It's a nice smallie. Let's go. Oh shit. Oh. Let's go. Let's go. Ah. Man, that's a beautiful Smallie. Beautiful. Thanks for biting, feller. Let me get this clean release. He's gone. Oh, oh, that's a good one. Hey, my drag's finally working. I think it might be too loose now. Oh, not a huge Smallie, but would have liked it. Would have liked to catch it. Now I'm stuck in the weeds. I used to think that Smallies always like hung out by themselves, but most of the time in the river, they're always in schools. Oh, I got one. I don't think he's too big. Oh, he's not bad. Not bad. You didn't see that jump, but he's not bad. Stay down. Don't you jump again. Don't you jump again. Don't you jump again. Oh, he's coming right at me. He doesn't want no action. Oh, yeah. Hey, bro. Bro, is that a Smallie or a largemouth? I think that's a largie. That's my first largie out of this river. Yo, that's a largemouth, ain't it? Hey, chill out, bub. He's got a sore on him, too. Hey, I got a largie out of the river. That's dope. It's pretty cool. He's pretty. Ain't the biggest. Thought he was fighting a little different than them Smallies do. Get off me. I hate when they come and hit you. Hey, bro, I don't want you. this fight so good. Well, guys, back where we started. I'm gonna cast a few more times, see what we could get. Got one more, guys. It's not a bad one either. Come here, buddy. Chunky beauty. Yeah, chunky beauty. Little chunky fish to end the day. Right in the nose, it's gotta feel good. Alright, guys. It's our last fish. That's a big glare right there. I don't know what that is. I'm sorry about that. I think it's where I cracked my phone earlier. But appreciate you guys watching. And stay tuned for the next one. If you enjoyed this, like, share, and subscribe. I'm out. Oh, he was ready.